Again, with the baddest song in the country. Somebody, please say drip. Say Teejay. That's your magic.
And we don't know dance, you know.
Yeah.
We don't train with that. But wait, hold on. Let me tell you guys something before, alright? On behalf of Teejay Jones, which is me, and Solid Agency, I would also like to give you guys the sum of 500,000, alright? I don't have enough money like Scotiabank. Still with me.
Yet.
Yeah, but I can't break myself, you know. I can't break myself. I got party later. And I have to have money for spend. And Miss Babs, I have a lifetime at. I have only one AC around. And the light.
Come to Miss Ma. Miss Wa.
This is from Ravers.
Don't turn your back to the camera. Turn the
Ramesh not going no money. By morning, I'm going to make Ramesh send some money to me. This is how I'm traveling. I'm traveling money. How much money?
5.
5
Put 5 more.
from Ravers. Anyway, go. Yeah, again. No, I'm not for it. Miss Babsy, you know, some anybody will do it as in a light and a picture. Not take a picture with it. I don't like that style, you know. Put in your pocket and something in your bosom or something. But you know, from Ravers, all over there, so. And we are the streets as dancers, and I represent. You understand what I say? And listen to me now. More everybody support that team here to the fullest. So if we have to post it in our story, you know, upon the Instagram page, and if you tell a friend, and tell a friend, and say it will go around. Listen to me. Them girls, they work extremely hard. Zeal under all conditions. And make sure, say, them are represent the country. And the country, them are represent, not just them, and them community, them are represent the whole country. And just like how they are ambassadors of this country, and just like how when support everybody else, I want to support them the same way. A World Cup, them a go. And I want teacup, I want hand cup, them a go World Cup.